On a luxurious yacht, the rich cat and the girlfriend cat sip expensive drinks, surrounded by wealth and extravagance. The rich cat leans back, grinning, soaking in the life he always dreamed of. "It's the time of our lives," he chuckles, twirling the girlfriend cat in a playful dance. "I've never had this much fun before," she laughs, lost in the moment. While they indulge in luxury, the poor cat toils away at a construction site. His body aches, his fur is covered in dust, but his determination burns brighter than ever. "I have no choice," he tells himself. "I have to change my life." After a grueling day, the poor cat finally gets paid. He clutches his earnings, laughing, hope shining in his eyes.